my adventurers. Good day. This upcoming video is the second of 4 related videos. We did the first one, how to turn almonds into almond flour. This one is how to turn almond flour into almond paste. And we're not using any eggs in it, no eggs. The third one will be how to turn the almond paste into marzipan. And the fourth video will be how to cover a cake with marzipan and decorate it. And that is a rum fruit cake. I already baked the cake and it's waiting. So, we're gonna do this in a couple days. I think I uploaded the last video 2 days ago, and this one is the second. And I think by Sunday we'll do the 4th video. This is Friday. I think I'll do the other one, but I'll upload them sometime, next week early. Everything will be finished sometime next week early. I know sometimes I wait too long in between videos, but these are going to be quick. So when you have questions, if you have questions, just post them below the videos, each video, and I'll explain anything that I didn't explain in the video. All right, so here we go. Started out with 4 cups of almond flour / almond meal, and here's the recipe. Yeah, so I had 4 cups, and I forgot on the recipe. I forgot to add water. I added 1 tablespoon, then another and another until I was satisfied with the consistency. So you could do the same. Don't add all the water one time. You might not need all of it, and so just add the water as needed. You might need more or you might need less, depending on, Anyway, you just want a soft, pliable dough. That's what you really want, so that you can roll it out. And it was a pretty quick process. I put everything in the food processor. You could roll it out on your counter. You could just heap it on your counter, put all the stuff in it, and just roll. I didn't use any eggs in this one because you should use 1 beaten egg, but I didn't. I wanted to omit the egg because I might have to put it down for a few days. Or a while. These things can last for months in the refrigerator, but I didn't want to put the egg because I was gonna leave it for a little while. Anyway, most of the recipes call for egg, but I just choose not to use egg. And this is good for vegetarians who don't want to use eggs in their stuff. They don't want any kind of meat or meat products. If you're lacto vegetarian, then you might use eggs. Yeah, but I just poured in everything and turn on the food processor. I stirred it up a little because I didn't want everything was heaping up in one side. So I stirred it up and mixed it up a little. Don't have to do all that. If you put it on the counter and roll it out, you don't need to do all that. And in a couple turns, everything came together. I just needed a couple turns in the food processor, and it came together on one side, lumped up like you see. And I pressed it and realized it was ready to be rolled out. So I put some icing sugar on the board and roll it out and stir it and roll it until it was soft. And if you want to test it to see if it's ready, you squeeze your finger in it. And if it's not sticking, if your finger is sticking, then you need more icing sugar. But if it's not sticking, then you're good. Just roll it up in pieces of saran wrap or foil or something and stick it in the fridge until you're ready to use it. As I said, they say it could stay in the fridge for 3 months or more, right?